Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. As the winter is here and the season changes, my hair gets really dry and dehydrated, especially towards the end of my hair. And I recently got this MamaEarth rice water hair mask that has rice water and keratin in it. So this is for damage repair, and if you have dry, dehydrated, dull hair, this is really good for that. I got this from Amazon. This is also available on Nykaa, Purple and also on MamaEarth's website. And MamaEarth has recently launched their official app where users can get early access to the sales and get some extra discount. And every time you buy from their website, they will link your order to a tree that they are gonna plant, and the exact geolocation, the species of the plant, everything will be sent to you. Now I have already tried their rice water range before. I have tried their shampoo, their conditioner, and I quite like them, so I thought of trying this one out. So I got this from Amazon. And this is how it looks like. This is paraben and silicone free. This is dermatologically tested. Now this is supposed to reduce split ends, prevents hair breakage and makes your hair silky and smooth. I have tried it on myself. I have used it twice and I quite like this hair mask. And it retails for 599 rupees and you are getting 200 grams of product. Now this is how the actual tub looks like, and you guys can see it's huge, and you are getting under 600 rupees 200 grams of product, which I think is sufficient. Now I have fine thin hair and my scalp gets extremely oily within a day or two, and because of using heating tools towards the end of my hair gets really dull, dry, dehydrated and damaged. MamaEarth rice water hair mask has fermented rice water, keratin and milk protein. Now this is how the actual product looks like, and the texture of this product is really good. It's very creamy and buttery and it spreads really well. It's really easy to use. It contains vitamin B, C and E that helps in repairing your hair damage and improves your hair elasticity. Keratin makes your hair more manageable and less frizzy. Milk protein makes your hair look thicker, healthier, nourished and conditioned. You can apply it in sections, but I prefer parting my hair into two halves and then I take a palmful of product for each side. I apply the hair mask from root to tip and then I twist my hair so that the product gets infused into my hair, and then I leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes and then I wash it off. For best result, you can apply their rice water shampoo and conditioner after that, but I also really like their almond shampoo, and you are supposed to use it 2 to 3 times a week. And this is how my hair looks like. You guys can clearly see the shine on my hair. It just makes my hair so soft, silky and smooth. It's suitable for all hair type, and as it's made of natural ingredients, so it's really safe to use. Especially during the season change, your hair goes through a lot, so a hair mask is a must for me. Now guys, I have used it on my hair today and my hair feels so nice, soft, silky and shiny. I quite like the way my hair feels today, and it doesn't weight down my hair or anything, so I quite liked this hair mask. If you have rough, dull, dry, dehydrated hair, definitely do try this one out. I quite like their rice water hair mask. Also their shampoo is so freaking amazing. I quite like it. So yeah, highly recommend this one. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. All of the product links and details will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.